ইংলিশে মার্কই তুলতে পারি নাই। ১-২ করে মার্কই তুলতে পারি নাই। আমার এমন একটা অবস্থা। ইংলিশে আমি ১ পাই, ২ পাই না। ১ থেকে ২ পাওয়া আমার কষ্ট হয়ে যায়। যার কারণে আমি অ্যাডমিশন যুদ্ধে হেরে যাই। ভর্তি পরীক্ষার সেই বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে পড়ার স্বপ্ন আমার ভেঙে যায়।
Raspberry Government College is not just an educational institution to me. It is a part of my life. Raspberry Government College was established in 1968. It is located at the heart of Raspberry town. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. There is a place in my life that has helped me forget all the pain of not achieving many things. Yes, today I'm going to talk about that special place, my beloved campus, Raspberry Government College. This is Abu Said in front of camera. Raspberry Government College is not just an educational institution to me. It is a part of my life. Raspberry Government College was established in 1968. It is located at the heart of Raspberry town and is now as the best educational institution in this area. If you visit my college, firstly, you will see the main gate of our college. As soon as you enter through the gate, you will see a red building. It is the most oldest building in our college. Beside it, there is administrative building in our college. All office work is done here. After that,
আমি যদি পড়ি, আমার যদি পড়তে হয় তাহলে আমি ইংলিশ নিয়েই পড়বো। যেটা আমার ভার্সিটিতে যাওয়ার স্বপ্নটা নষ্ট করে দিছে। এই স্বপ্নটা আমি হারায় ফেলছি। সো আমি যদি চান্স পাইও, আমি যদি লেখাপড়া এখন চালাইও, তাহলে আমি
after the open stage, you will see the college mosque. Raspberry Government College has residential halls for students and teachers. I live in Shohid Sagar Hall. You will see Academic Building 1 and Academic Building 2. Students have classes here. Next to it is the Science Building. Science students have classes, experiments and research here. Next, there is Business Studies Building. Commerce students study here. Next, the college canteen. After that, you will see the open stage. All events of our college happen here. After the open stage, you will see the college mosque. Raspberry Government College has residential halls for students and teachers. I live in Shohid Sagar Hall. It is the heart of our campus. There are also Mir Mosharraf Hossain Hall, Vidyasagar Hall, and Khaleda Zia Girls Hall. In the middle of our college, there is a racquet court. Also, beside Shohid Sagar Hall is biggest playground where students always play.